there, Ana Brandt here. So I have my new collection, which is glitter and snow, and you can use this in a photo. This tutorial is just really quick with using a photo. You can use it in Photoshop too. Go to your background changer and then just upload them. All of the files are under 10 megs, which is a requirement of a photo, so you shouldn't have any problem loading these up. And again, you can use them in Photoshop or whatever other program you're doing. And then once you do it, obviously you want to make sure you have the right image. Not everything's going to work for the right image. There's a before and after. So if I undo what I did, you'll see that I'm going to pick one of the ones with the snowflakes. Once you do that, then just go down to the options. I like to do center alignment and then subject and related objects. And then what you're going to do is make sure that you size it, make it nice and big, however you want it. And then always retain your shadows, and then you just take your opacity down. And that's really it. And you can transform some of your images. I wanted to make a bunch of these because last year I had a bunch of clients just ask for a little glitter, a little magic, little overlay. And so I wanted to make something super easy that you can use to transform your own images. It also will bring to life maybe some images from previous years. If you're stuck on content, it's always fun to kind of repurpose old content and make it a little bit better with some of the new technology. And so same thing, just expand, adjust your opacity. I don't think I loved that one as much with this, so I'll change the background and pick something else. And we'll go in here, and I think we'll pick this one, and then we'll adjust the opacity. And then there you go. So something just a little fun to bring a little magic to your photos. You can find these in my stand store and enjoy. I'd love to see what you do. Make sure you tag me if you use these, because I always love to see how other people do creations. There's a little snowy one with my car, a little more glitter. So just have fun with it. You can find these in the stand store. And there's all the different samples. There's 35 images. There's some more samples. And hopefully you'll like these. Enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions.